So hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. In this video we will discuss about CGIAR, which is an international organization, actually an international group of different international agricultural research institute which are totally dedicated for agricultural research work. So CGIAR full form is Consultative Group for International Agricultural Research, which was formed on 1971 and headquartered at France. So this is a tagline taken from CGIAR website. CGIAR is a global research partnership for food secure future dedicated to reducing poverty, enhancing food and nutritional security, and improving natural resources. So this is line taken from CGIAR website. So CGIAR is an international group for various organizations. So this is location of various international institute. So like in India, ICRISAT is located. In Philippines, we know in Philippines this is IRRI, International Rice Research Institute. In Sri Lanka, IWMI, International Water Management Institute. Likewise, there are 14 international research institute which are located at various different places of world according to the climatic zone. So we will discuss about every each institute one by one. So the first institute is ICRISAT. ICRISAT is International Crop Research Institute for Semi-Arid Tropics, and it's headquartered at India. So this is institute located in India, working under CGIAR and funded by CGIAR. The second institute, international institute, another very famous institute, CIMMYT, which have worked very tremendously for maize and wheat improvement. So this is International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center, headquartered at Texco, Mexico, located in Mexico, CIMMYT, which is International Maize and Wheat Improvement Center. So this is another institute, another very famous institute working under CGIAR. The next institute is IWMI, International Water Management Institute, which is located at Colombo, Sri Lanka. So this is another famous institute working in areas of water research and natural resources management. So the another institute is ILRI, which is International Livestock Research Institute, and headquartered at Kenya and Ethiopia. So both places its center are located, and this is another famous institute working for livestock research. Next institute is CIFOR, which is Center for International Forestry Research and headquartered at Bogor, Indonesia. So this is headquartered at Indonesia, working for forest research. So the another very famous institute is ICARDA. ICARDA is International Center for Agricultural Research in Dry Areas, which is ICARDA, which is full form of ICARDA, and this is tagline of ICARDA: Science for Resilient Livelihood in Dry Areas. This is located in Lebanon, Beirut, and which in Syria actually. So established in 1977. This is another very famous institute working under CGIAR. The another institute is IFPRI, which is International Food Policy Research Institute, established on 1975 and headquartered at Washington DC, USA. So this is another very famous international organization, international institute working under CGIAR group. So this is another institute, CIP, International Potato Center. So this is also an CGIAR research center which is headquartered at Lima, Peru. So this is located in Lima, Peru, and this is International Potato Center. So this is another famous institute. After this, this is Africa Rice. This is Africa Rice Center actually. So this is located at Abidjan, and this is an city at Cote d'Ivoire, one country of Africa subcontinent. African continent. This is Africa Rice Center and founded on 1971. So this is another research institute working under CGIAR. So this is another World Agroforestry, which is located headquartered at Nairobi, Kenya. Another international research institute is WordFish, which is headquartered at Penang, at Malaysia. So this is working for fish research and aquatic research, aquatic life. So this is another very famous institute. The next institute is International Institute of Tropical Agriculture, headquartered at Lebanon. This is not Lebanon actually. This is Ibadan at Nigeria. So this is established on 1967, and this is tagline of IITA, which is Transforming African Agriculture. This is mainly working in tropical areas like Africa and African countries of mainly African continent. And so this is IRRI, another very famous research institute, which is International Rice Research Institute, headquartered at Philippines, established on 1960. So established on 1960, which is International Rice Research Institute, uh, tremendously working for rice research at world level. So the another research institute is CIAT, and this is an alliance which is Biodiversity International and International Center for Tropical Agriculture. So this is headquartered at Rome, Italy. So this is the last organization working for not last actually. So these are all organization working for CGIAR. We have gone through all. So these are various location as we all know, as we have seen. So the this is at USA, Washington DC. We are having IFPRI, International Food Policy Research Institute, CIMMYT at Mexico, which is International Center for Maize and Wheat Improvement, and at Peru, ILRI. So these various research institutes are located and distributed all over the world. So this is all about international institutes and CGIAR. Okay, thank you.